In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify site ownership in Bing Webmaster Tools. This process confirms to Microsoft's search engine that you manage the site, unlocking data like search performance, index coverage, and crawl insights so you can optimize with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to bing.com/webmasters. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can sign in using Google or Facebook. Make sure you use the account you want linked to this website, because that account will control access going forward. Once you're in the dashboard, click Add a Site. Enter your full website URL exactly as it appears in the address bar, including HTTPS if your site uses it. If your site resolves with or without www, choose the version that matches your canonical setup. When you're ready, click Add to bring up the verification options. Now choose a verification method. Bing offers several, but the HTML meta tag is quick and works well on most platforms. Expand the meta tag option and copy the tag that includes your unique verification code. You're going to place this in the head section of your site's homepage so Bing can detect it. How you add it depends on your platform. Many content management systems include a field for header code or custom HTML in site settings, theme options, or a code injection area. Paste the entire meta tag there, making sure it sits above the closing head tag. If you manage your HTML directly, open your homepage template and place the tag between the opening and closing head tags. Save and publish your changes so they go live. If your site uses caching or a content delivery network, clear or purge the cache to ensure the updated head loads for everyone, including Bing's crawler. Switch back to Bing Webmaster Tools and click Verify. Bing will scan your homepage for the exact meta tag and confirm ownership once it finds it. This can take a moment. If verification doesn't pass right away, view your live homepage source to confirm the tag appears in the head, not the body, and that the code matches exactly. Also make sure your site isn't behind a login, in maintenance mode, or blocked by a firewall or robots while you verify. Once verification succeeds, you'll see a confirmation in the dashboard. Keep the meta tag in place so your ownership stays active. Over time, you'll start seeing clicks, impressions, and crawl data populate. That's it. Your site is now verified in Bing Webmaster Tools, and you're ready to explore your search insights.